Hello everyone, today is a really quick video on how to factory reset the Plusnet Hub One router, which is also the same as one of the BT Hub variants. So most of you who have this will not have a flashing B, and this will not be orange. I think it's supposed to be green when it's connected to the internet. In this instance I've only got it connected to power, so it's flashing an error saying that there's no broadband. What I will be doing is putting a paperclip into the reset hole, which is between the USB port and the power port, and it's slightly higher up. And I'll tell you when I'm pressing it and when I've let go. So I'm now ready to press that with the paperclip. I'm going to start pressing it now. And then I'm going to let go. That was about 21 seconds, and I know it was successful because this light has gone green, and in my case where the broadband light was flashing, that stopped flashing. And then starts flashing. It's now in the process of restarting, and when it does come back it should all be back to factory settings. So details for the Wi-Fi will be back to what is on your card, and the password to log into the router should be again the default as to what's on the card, or if you've lost this card it's also on the label on the underside of the router there. Okay, we're back to flashing orange, and then probably shortly after the broadband light will flash down here saying that I've not got it connected. But there we go. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't need to have the video notifications switched on because I post so much random stuff that it's probably not going to be particularly interesting, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thanks very much.